This is the Toyota GR86, of course. This is the second generation, and it's a twin with the BRZ. Basically, every complaint that people had about FRS, first generation BRZ, GT86, blah, blah, has been fixed. The 2.4 liter four-cylinder has a much better torque curve. It doesn't have a weird torque dip that my car has. They also improved like the interior. They added more safety features. They sharpened the steering, handling. But fundamentally, it is still, you know, a lightweight two-door sports car, which is awesome. I love seeing people struggle to get in and out of it. I actually used to use, pre-COVID, I used the back seats on my BRZ pretty often. I put people back there. They're very short, small people, but I would put people back there. Nowadays, though, I find it really great for putting stuff. I throw my dirty clothes back there.
I mean, they exist so it's not classified as a two-seater for insurance purposes.
Sure,
That's
sure.
all the more it is.
Sure. Yeah. No, but I like it. It's a great shelf for my stuff. But yeah, that's the GR86. For the very first time, I actually prefer how the Toyota looks. I got the BRZ because, one, out of principle, I wanted the BRZ because it's made by Subaru, so obviously I'm going to get the Subaru version, and I also liked how the BRZ looked over the Scion at the time. But this generation, I don't know what Subaru did. It's something about that front bumper, and then maybe Andrew can throw a side-by-side little clip right here. But there's something about that front bumper, about the BRZ I don't quite like. I like how the GR86 looks, so if I were to trade in my BRZ, I'd get the Toyota this time around. Let's take a look at the interior. My favorite thing about these cars is the driving position on these cars just makes so much sense. The steering wheel telescopes a good amount as well. If this would cooperate with me, this is really stiff on this one. But anyways, the steering wheel moves a lot, lots of adjustment, and my favorite word to use about the BRZ is it's just instinctual. The driving position is very instinctual. Everything is exactly where it's supposed to be. The pedal placement is fantastic. The steering wheel placement is fantastic. These new seats are a lot better than mine, I must admit. But overall, you know, would I trade in mine for a new one? I'm not sure. I think if I were to, I'd probably get a completely different car. It feels like it's kind of a waste to trade in my car for the slightly updated version of an existing platform. I would probably try something completely different this time around. Just for experience sake. But man, I'm so glad that the second generation of this car exists. It means that, you know, we bought enough of them that made it so that it made financial sense for Toyota to buy more, to sell more of these, and to spend the R&D money of it. So really happy that this car exists. It really shows Toyota that, hey, sports cars can make financial sense as well.